Hello guys! How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. If you are new to this channel, please let me know. Just say hi in the comment below. And you are watching another episode of Piece of Cake. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And today, I'm gonna show you a simple way of decorating a cake with daisies. I have in the description below the link on how to make these daisies and leaves. And so, let's get going! So I have here some pre-made daisies and leaves. These pink candy beads. Around 800 grams of white fondant. Fondant smoother. Shortening. Gumpaste glue. Big rolling pin. Baker's brush, knife, and pizza cutter, and of course our pre-baked and pre-frosted with chocolate ganache cake. Before we put our fondant on the cake, we will damp our cake with a little bit of water because the ganache has dried too much. Otherwise, our fondant will not stick on the cake. If you have a sprayer, water sprayer, you can also do that. I'm using a brush and gently damping it with water. And we're ready to put our fondant on the cake. One of the requests for this cake is to have a pink accent. And that's why I thought of these pink beads. I'm gonna put this around the cake diagonally without really being very strict on the distance. So with the gumpaste glue, I'm just gonna wet one point, one spot, and then stick in our pink. That's it. Like I said, we're not really gonna go strict on the distance. We're just gonna play it on by how it looks. Next up is our daisies and leaves, of course. So my plan is to lay them out on one side. Start with this one. Put the gumpaste glue on it. Stick it out. Stick it. Hold it for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. With this white, I'm gonna put leaf under it. And that's it, guys. This is our daisy decorated cake. I'm gonna turn it around. Very simple and yet very classy. That's why I like daisies. And this is the part where I normally put the names, the birthdays, the age, and even happy anniversary. This area is for you to explore. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video and you give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And again, if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave your comment below. Once again, my name is Ace Orana of Piece of Cake. God bless you all.